Julius, Urbanus, Stachys, Apelles, Herodian, Rufus, Asyncritus, Phlegon, Hermes, Patrobas, Hermas, Philologus, Nereus, Olympus. But of those praised, 5 women, Mary, Tryphena, Tryphosa, Persis, and that unnamed mother, and 6 men, Epenetus, Ampliatus, Urbanus, Stachys, Apelles, Rufus, are singled out for special attention. Fourth, Paul uses the verb to work hard, kapiao, to mean dedicated apostolic activity. He applies it to himself twice, in Galatians chapter 4 verse 11 and 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 10. But here he uses it 4 times and exclusively for women, for Mary, chapter 16 verse 6, Tryphena, Tryphosa, and Persis, chapter 16 verse 12. Finally, we return to that Junia just mentioned, chapter 16 verse 7, to a case that would be comic if it were not tragic. For the first millennium of Christianity, commentators recognized correctly that Junia was a female name. She was the wife of Andronicus, as Priscilla was the wife of Aquila. Then, for the second millennium of Christianity, she was turned into a male. Junia, so the claim went, was short for the male name Junianus. That, however, was patently untrue, because although there were over 250 known cases of a female Junia in antiquity, there was not a single one of a male Junia as the abbreviation of Junianus. The reason for that rather desperate claim was also quite clear. If Junia were allowed to remain a female, then, since she was prominent among the apostles, it was obviously possible for a woman to be an apostle. Paul, of course, had no problem with that combination of gender and function. For him, women as well as men were called by God to be apostles of Christ. The Christian gender equality that existed in marriage and home also prevailed in assembly and apostolate.